Hi guys, we are just wrapping up this 911 Targa Carrera, and we've done what I think is a really cool job on the car, because not only did we upgrade and integrate the original BOSE module, but now you can see the awesome color match we have. So I think you'll see some photographs before. Blends in absolutely perfectly. Customer loves his car nice and tidy, so we got rid of all the loose hanging wires. Steering controls now all integrate. So let's start this beast up. And you'll see the Porsche logo also is there. Pioneer AVH 9250BT. And as I toggle okay that system warning, you can see the audio is now controlled music wise. Scroll through tracks. In fact, this is actually coming off YouTube, connected off my phone, and you can see now skipping tracks as well. We'll turn that down so you can hear me a bit better, but all in all, an absolutely fantastic job. This is of course from Audio Direct.